Okay. Good morning, children. Okay. So, Anne Mani, if you are ready. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then you start. Okay, I made changed you as host. You can present.
Can you see it?
Yes, we can see the screen. What about the other children? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can proceed, Anne Mary.
So, good morning to all. I'm here to take a seminar on the chapter arithmetic progression on the topic sum of n terms. So, we all know that the sum of n terms means it's a sum of the arithmetic series that's given in the question, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 till the last term. And we have two equations to find the sum of n terms, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d and n by 2 into a1 plus an or a plus l. So the a1 and a means a first term and an and al is a last term given in the question. And here in this question, find the sum of the AP negative 37, negative 33, negative 29 till 12 terms. So from this we can find the first term, that is negative 37, also the common difference. By subtracting negative 33 minus negative 37, we get as 4, and it's given in the question there are 12 terms. So we get the number of term as 12 and we have to find the sum. So in this question, as the first term and the common difference and number of terms are given, we can use the first formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And when we substitute the values, we get 12 by 2 into 2 into negative 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. 12 by 2 is 6, and 2 into negative 37, we get negative 74 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 4. So we get 6 into negative 74 plus 44. So we get negative 74 plus 44 as negative 30. So 6 into negative 30, the sum as negative 180. And in this kind of question where the first term, number of terms and the last term is given, we can use a second formula, that is n by 2 into a plus l, and when we substitute the values we get 8 by 2 into 3 plus 45, that is 4 into 48, that is 192. So we get the sum as 192. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Anne Mary. Okay, you did well, but you can do better than this. Okay.
Okay,
Next time, and all children yes. Yes, someone is saying calling. Yes. Who called me? No? Okay, next time I want a better performance than this. Okay. The thing is, okay, no need to run. You make it as an interactive section. If you take one question also, no problem. Let them answer. Make them to answer. You ask it as interactive. Okay. Make it as interactive. Those who are presenting the next time and all, make it as an interactive section. Okay. Then other thing I want to say is, so in words, in MS Word, you have one equation operation. If you use that equation operation, that by and all, you can write it properly. Okay, so here suffix, likewise suffix, you can, okay, I know you have that superscript, subscript options are there in Word. Okay, use that one so that it will be more clear. Okay, you presented well, but next time, do it more. Okay? Okay. The other who is ready? The next one?
Ma'am, can I do Afsana?
Yes. Amina is present? No. Anjida? Anne Mary she did. Afsana? No.
Yes, ma'am, I will do.
Will do. Okay. Ready? Are you ready now?
Ma'am, can I do next class?
Next class. Okay. With Afsana we can stop, and you can Ashik. And who are the next three you have to do? Ashik, Pateri, Anne Mary she did.
Arjun.
Arjun.
Angela.
The list is somewhat correction is in. I'll have the line. And Mary, Arjun, Ashik. Okay. Aman Shakir did. Amina and Ajira are absent. Okay. So Afsana, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Ma'am, my topic is discriminant.
Hmm.
We know that the roots of the quadratic are given by x equal to negative b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative b. Hence, it has two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then it has no real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then it has two distinct minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic
We can to go on simply reading, it will be difficult for them also to follow. Okay? No. Okay, children, I think we can continue with where we stopped in the morning session. In the morning session, we are discussing with the triangles. We are given with triangle. We are checking, are they congruent or not? Whether the triangles are congruent or not. Ah, yes.
Ma'am, can you show that question again?
Which question? That previous question?
Yes, ma'am.
No. What is the question? Can anyone read the question? John, can you read the
Which
question?
pairs of the triangle are similar? Write the similarity creation by creation used by you for answering the question, and write the pair of similar triangles in symbolic form.
We have to write in symbolic form. So this is the triangle given. 60, 80, 40. Here it is again 60, 80, 40. This is what the question is given. You are asked to check whether they are similar or not. So what is the answer we wrote here? Where all the angles, are they equal? So by
Yes, ma'am.
AAA criteria, we get triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is what we discussed earlier. Okay? Okay, John? Okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now write the next question.
Okay,
Write the next one. Next one. So this type of questions will be asked for MCQ also. Okay. Now tell me, are they similar? Look at here. ABC and PQR are the triangles. Are they similar? We have three criteria, isn't it? AA criteria, SSS criteria, SAS. Okay. You check whether is it similar or not.
It is similar
Why?
because it is proportional to the first triangle.
Is it proportional? Check it. What is
But
okay?
this is in the
Two.
wrong places.
2. When you double, yes, Aditya?
In the wrong places.
That one we should adjust. Okay, places may change, position may change. Accordingly, you have to think it. We can rotate it like that, isn't it? Look at here. 2, when you double it, it is 4. 3, when we double it, it is 6. 2.5, it is 5. Children, don't write, first listen. So all the sides are proportional, isn't it? All the sides are proportional. Okay, so which criteria we can use?
SSS.
SSS criteria. Listen, children. Okay, so initially what we will do, don't write, first listen. We write ABC is similar to triangle PQR, isn't it? When you write this, you can check. After writing this, you have to check. What is the measure of AB? What is the measure of AB?
2.
2.
2.
So PQ should be double of it, isn't it? If I take the first two letters, here also I should take the corresponding side as PQ. But look at your PQ. What is the measure here?
6.
6. So it is wrong. So ordering should be rearranged. So instead of writing PQR, here it is 2. So suppose I write QRP. Suppose I write QRP. Now check, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
AB.
Yes, ma'am.
AB by QR. Is it correct? AB is 2, QR is 4. Now take the other two sides, BC by RP. If I take the next two sides, you take the next two sides. BC by RP. BC is 2.5. What about RP? 5. Now take the first and last. AC by QP. AC is 3. QP is 6. Okay, like this, you have to check. Aditya, now is it clear? Is it okay? You said your position is wrong. Okay, we have to rearrange the numbers. We have to rearrange the vertices accordingly. Okay, we can't take it as PQR here. So here, when you write the similarity, we have to look at this. We have to check whether the criteria is satisfied. Whether the corresponding side. So AB corresponds to the side QR. BC corresponds to the side RP. And AC corresponds to the side QP. Is it okay, Surya? Can you follow this, Surya? Which criteria we are using here? Which is the criteria you are using here? Yes, correct. Is it okay, Rose? Pratyush, are you getting this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
So next one. Okay, copy this one, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Arjun, Adil. Okay, copy this. Okay, when we write this, we have to check whether the conditions are satisfied or not. Simply we can't write. In congruency also we write like that, isn't it? Corresponding angles we have to find out. Corresponding sides we have to find out. Then only we can write the answer.
Ma'am, what's the question?
Identify whether the triangles are similar. If similar, write in symbol.
ക്ലാസ് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കല്ലേ?
ഇത് പറഞ്ഞു പോകുന്നു.
ക്ലാസ് നടക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ സാധനം ഒട്ടിക്കാൻ നിൽക്കുന്നത്.
Children, I think we can continue with the next one. Okay. We are given with triangle. We are checking whether they are similar or not. Okay, we have to look. We have to identify which criteria we can use there. Okay. Write the next one. Write the next question, children. So next one, two triangles are given like this. L, M. I didn't share. Okay. One second. Thank you. Okay. I forgot. Okay. These are the two triangles, LMP and DEF. DEF, LMP and DEF, 2.7, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Are they similar? Are they similar?
EF is 5.
EF is 5. Yes, someone is giving the answer. Yes, it is correct.
It is similar.
Is it similar? How?
No, ma'am.
No, not similar means why? Why?
It is not correctly proportional.
Very good. The sides are not proportional, isn't it? No need to write the steps. Before writing the steps itself, you can check whether the double is there. Here 2, on doubling we have 4. Here the problem is double. That's why I insist double. 2 on doubling, 4 is there. 3 if we double, 6 is there. But what is the double of 2.7? 5.4, isn't it? But here it is 5. So, no need to write the remaining steps. You can write the sides are not proportional. Therefore, they are not similar. Sides are not proportional. Therefore, they are not similar. The triangles are not similar. They are not similar. Okay? Is it okay, Bhadra?
Yes, ma'am.
Prajot, are you able to follow this? Any doubt here? Johan? Fia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can expect this type of 1 mark questions for the board exam. Okay? Write the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. NL is the triangle given. Here it is 2.5, 75. And the next one is PQR, 5, 70, 10. Others keep quiet. Hey, Steve, tell me. Are they similar? Hey, Steve.
Yes, ma'am.
Are they similar?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
MN is
Ah.
double of
Ah.
PQ.
Very good. Mn by PQ is double. Okay. 2.5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Then?
Then
Ah.
ML
Ah.
is double of QR.
Yes. 2.5 and 5. Ah. Okay. Okay. Ah. Sorry. ML?
Is double of QR.
QR. Okay. It is 5 by 10, which is again 1 by 2. Only 2 sides are given, isn't it? Then?
Yes. Then
Ah.
angle 70, 70.
Yes, very good. Included angle is nice. Same. Included angle is same. So which criteria, Fia? Which criteria we are using here? Sides are
SAS.
proportional. So by SAS criteria. Okay, by SAS criteria. Can you try the order? What will be the order?
MNL
MNL,
similar to PQR.
PQR. You check it. Is it correct? MN by PQ. Okay, I'm taking first 2 letters. MN by PQ. NL by QR. Is it correct? NL by QR. It went wrong, isn't it? NL means it is a measurement is not known, but QR it is 10. So we have to rearrange. It is not correct. Then how will you rewrite it? MN is, so instead of PQ, suppose I write like this means QPR. Now will it be correct? You check it.
Yes, ma'am. QPR is correct.
Is correct. MN will be same as QP. Okay, sometimes we will not getting the answer in the first step. After writing, you recheck. Is it correct? You check it. Mn is same as Qp. Mn is 2.5. Qp is 5. Take the next two letters, NL and PR. NL is not known, PR also not known. Now take the first and last, ML and QR. ML and QR. Is it clear? Pratyush, are you getting this order? Vishnu Priya?
Can I say the order again? How that can?
Okay, see, suppose I'm writing like this. Okay, there is no particular method, children. By writing and checking only we'll be able to check. Suppose I write like this. After writing this, you check whether the sides are corresponding sides are proportional. Mn, what is the measurement of Mn? If I take the first two, here also I should take first two letters. Mn it is 2.5 and PQ it is 5. Are they proportional? We are getting double, isn't it? Here it is 2.5 and here it is double. Now take the next two, NL. NL, the measurement is not known. But what is the measurement of QR? 10, isn't it? Actually, the figures are similar. So here, ordering is not correct. The order which I wrote is not correct. So I should change it. So PQR will not work out. Then I should go with the next one. Suppose I write this with QPR. Or if I write with RPQ. Like this you have to try. Suppose I write QPR. Mn will be same as QP. Next, NL. If I take the next two letters, you take the next two and see. Is it same? NL is, measurement is not known. Here also, PR is not known. Then if I take the last two, first and last, ML by PR, we should get the proportionality condition satisfied. Okay, let's do one more question. After that, okay, let us try the next one. Let us check. Write the next one, children. E, D, F. And the next one is PQR. PQR. Here it is 80, 30. Here again 80, 70. Are they similar? Are they similar? Okay, whenever questions are given, we have to be a little bit alert. Then only we can guess the answer. Are they similar?
No, ma'am.
No. No. What about the others? Are they similar?
Yes,
Check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you are saying yes. Why? How? Here it's looking at the angles. Here it is 80, 70 and 30. Not same.
When we sum
We find the other angles.
180.
Very good. Use the sum, okay, angle sum property. Two angles are known. We can find the third angle. What is the third angle? 80 plus 70, 150. Here it is 30. Here 80 plus 30, 110. It is 70. Now look at the angles. Whether all the angles are same. Whether all the angles are same. So
Yes, ma'am.
which criteria you can use?
Criteria.
So by A criteria. Vishnu Priya, now try the order, Vishnu Priya. Triangle.
Triangle DEF
Ah.
is similar to PQR.
Similar to PQR. Here, measurement is not given, length is given, isn't it? You have to check the angle. Whether angle D is same as angle P, check it. Angle D, is it same as angle P? Yes. Now you look at the next angle. Angle E, is it same as angle Q? Yes. Angle F is same as angle R. If angle is given, we can check easily. If length are given means we have to take two vertices together. Then only we'll get the side of the measure. Okay? Okay, I'll give next one. I'll give one more question. Try this. I'll give one more question. Pratyush, tell me, are they similar or not? Whether the triangles are similar or not.
Ma'am, that sign of similar will you draw one time?
Yes, okay, yes, you just write like this, in this order.
They are similar.
Pratyush, answer it.
They are similar, ma'am.
Which criteria? Your answer is correct, Pratyush. Which criteria?
SAS.
Very good. SAS. So by SAS criteria, they are similar. Can you try the order? Look at the order. First one, you can write it directly, isn't it? The second one only, when you write it, you have to check. ABC is similar to triangle. Similar to triangle. Yes. ZX. Why? So here you can check, isn't it? Here which angle is given here? Angle B is 80. Angle B 80. But here angle Z is 80. So this is wrong, isn't it, Vishnupriya?
YZX.
YZX.
YZX. Okay. YZX. Now is it okay? B is equal to Z. Look at the measure, corresponding measure. AB. First two letters I am taking. So is it same as YZ? AB 2.5. YZ. Isn't it? AB by YZ. They are proportional. 2.5 by 5. Now take the next two. BC. ZX. Yes, isn't it? Therefore, order is triangle ABC is similar to triangle YZX. It is similar to triangle YZX. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's try the next question.
Ma'am, will you show that screen one more time?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, write the next one, children. Next one. One figure is given. Write the question. In the following figure, ODC, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. In the following figure, ODC is similar to triangle OBA. In the following figure, ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Comma, angle BOC is equal to 125. Angle BOC is 125. Angle CDO is 70. Angle CDO is 70. Find angle DOC, angle DCO, angle OAB. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. And it is given BOC is 125, CDO is 70, find angle DOC, DCO, OAB. Children, please turn on your video. Why your video are off? And Mary, Haynes, Steve, Rifa, Savio.
Ma'am, I have told you.
Okay, Haynes, Steve, okay. What about the others? Hadi Amin, Hadidi, Savio, Johan, Sainaba. We are learning an important topic.
Ma'am, I have connection problems. I message you.
Okay. Lolita, you have also sent the message. What about the others? Didi. Hadi Amin, Haya. Aditya. Sainaba. Okay, now look at this, children. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Before solving this question, children, I'll give one important point. Write it in your notebook. Write this as note. Okay, write this as note. Suppose you are given like this. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. Children, listen. Suppose two triangles are similar. Therefore, what we can say, look at here, children, angle P will be same as angle A. Angle Q will be same as angle B. Angle R will be same as angle C. If two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. If two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides will be always proportional. If you take the first two, PQ by AB equal to QR by BC equal to PR by AC. PQ by AB is equal to QR by BC is equal to PR by AC. This condition will be always true. If two triangles are similar, we get these four conditions satisfied. Four conditions. Which are the four conditions? Three for the angles. Corresponding angles will be equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. Whenever two triangles are similar, these four conditions will be always true. Okay, mark this as important. Mark this as important. Based on this only we solve the problems. Okay? Copied, children? Did you copy this? Sainaba, Hadi Amin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at this question. How to solve this? Previous one. BOC is, okay, now here it is given. What is given here? Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Therefore, angle O will be same as angle O. Which is ODC, this is the angle, isn't it? So these two angles will be equal. Why? Although it is not similar, another word you can use is vertically opposite angles, isn't it? Vertically opposite angles will be equal. Here BOC is given as 125. BOC, this is 125. Therefore, can you give me what will be angle COD? Or DCO, DOC, what is the angle? What will be angle, this angle, children? What is this angle? Is it a straight line? So is it 180 minus 125? Is it a linear pair, children? Look at here. BD, is it a straight line?
55.
It is 55. This is 55. If this is 55, here also it will be 55. Here it is 125. So you can find out what is this angle, 125. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now one more angle is given. CDO is 70. This angle is given as 70. So can you find out the remaining angles? What will be DC?
70 plus 55 minus 180.
180 minus, okay? From 180 only you have to subtract. You can use angle sum property. You can use vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle DOC is 55. What is angle DCO? What is angle DCO? It is 180 minus 70 plus 55. It is 180 minus 125. That is again 55, isn't it? What is angle OAB? What will be angle OAB? This one. Angle OAB. Angle A will be same as angle C, isn't it? Angle A will be same as angle C. What is angle C? 55. So here also it is 55. It will be
70.
how?
55 plus 50. 180 minus 55 plus 55.
OAB. OAB is at 55. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now get ready for the test paper. Okay, I'll be sending. Can do get ready. Wednesday I'll be giving. Beginning itself we'll be writing the test paper. Join it on time. Wednesday, I think second period or third period we have the class. That time in the beginning itself. 5 minutes only the test paper will be allowed. It's a Google form. 5 minutes only it will be there in AP. So now it is 3 minutes only we have. If I give, you will not be able to complete. It's a 5 minutes test paper.
Yes.
Prepare well and come.
How many questions? 10 best.
Thank you, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Now copy this. Who someone asked Pia.
How many questions?
7 questions will be there. 7 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it over? Some who asked for copying? Yes. So children, on Wednesday, prepare well for the test. In the beginning itself, we will be writing the test paper. Timing will be 5 minutes. So join on time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After some time, I will not be accepting the responses. After 5 to 10 minutes. So from the beginning itself, join. Okay. Get ready for the test paper. Keep the notebook, everything ready. Some questions you have to solve it and you have to mark the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the pattern asked for the board exam also. Everything will not be direct questions. Some questions you have to solve it. After solving only you will get the answer.
Yes,
so you have to
ma'am.
keep the notebook and paper, everything ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next next class, beginning itself, get ready for the test paper. AP.
Yes, ma'am.
Prepare well. And those who are not taken the seminar, get ready
Yes, ma'am.
for the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.